Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students of class 6. Here is your maths teacher, and we are going to discuss some other questions from exercise 8a. So, question number 4 is in front of you. Question number 4 says write down separately the terms of the following algebraic expressions. Here, some expressions are given in front of you. You have to write these expressions separately, the terms of the expression separately. It means you have to write first term is written as a plus b minus 2c. These are the three terms. So these are the three terms you have to write separately, separating these terms by commas. So you have to write it as a separate term, b a separate term, then minus 2c is also a separate term. So you have to put comma in these three terms, a comma b comma minus 2c. Okay, so that's comma I have given here, k a plus 2b minus 2c, a plus b minus 2c is equals to a comma b comma minus 2c. So this is the overall answer of this question. Okay, by the same manner you have to solve other two questions. It means that you have to solve other two questions by separating the terms by comma. So we are switching question number 2. It means that question number 5, it's question number 5 not 2. Okay. Write down the algebraic expression whose terms are given below. So this is totally opposite of the upper question. Okay, you have to solve question number 4. Question number 4 is separate the terms. In this question you have to join the terms are given, okay, a minus 3b and 4c, a comma minus 3b comma 4c. You have to join these terms by given symbols. That is a minus 3b plus 4c. Okay, then you have to solve from question number 4, 2 and 3, and also from question number 5, 2 and 3. So this is your homework. You have to solve and share in our WhatsApp groups. All right, take care.